Investly app. The pros, the cons. If you ever wanted to invest in small and medium-sized businesses instead of just stocks, the Investly app might catch your attention. It promises high returns by connecting investors directly with growing companies that need funding. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break down the pros and the cons. The biggest pro of Investly is access. Most people never get the chance to invest in private invoices or small business loans, but Investly opens that door. It allows investors to fund invoices from verified businesses, meaning you're essentially lending money short-term in exchange for interest. Typical returns range from 5 to 15%, not bad for a few clicks on your phone. Another major advantage is transparency. Each opportunity lists full business details, repayment terms, and risk ratings. Plus, you can diversify easily by funding small portions across many invoices instead of putting all your money in one deal. But here's where the cons come in. These investments aren't risk-free. Even with verified businesses, there's always the possibility of default. While Investly uses insurance and betting to reduce that risk, it can't eliminate it entirely. Liquidity is also limited. Your funds are tied up until the invoice is repaid, meaning this isn't ideal for quick access cash. The surprising truth? Investly isn't for beginners chasing fast money. It's for smart investors looking to diversify beyond traditional markets. If you understand the risks and are comfortable with short-term lending, Investly can be a unique and profitable addition to your portfolio. In the end, the pros: accessibility, transparency, and solid returns make Investly an innovative platform, but only if you play it wisely.